Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator. So this is really helpful because it adds an extra layer of security to your account. So that means whenever you sign in or make changes, you'll be asked for a special code which helps you keep your information safe. So to get started, you'll need to install the app on your phone. You can do this on either iPhone or Android. Just open the App Store or Play Store, then search for Microsoft Authenticator. So once you see it, go ahead and download it. It's a small app, so it should install pretty quickly. When it's done, open the app. Now that you're inside the app, we can start setting things up. So first, you can add your Microsoft account. So tap on the option to add your personal account or choose work or school if needed. After that, allow any permissions if prompted, then sign in with your account details and then enter your password and continue. You might be asked to verify your identity, so this could be through a backup email or another method. Just follow the steps on your screen, and once that is done, your account will be added successfully. So tap finish and you'll now see your account in the app along with a one-time passcode that updates regularly. If you want to add other apps or websites, you can do that as well. In the app, tap the scan or barcode icon at the top bottom right, and from there you can scan a QR code or enter a code manually. So to get that code, open the app or website you want to secure, go to its settings, then find the security or password section. Look for two-factor authentication and choose authentication app, and follow the steps until you see a setup key or code. And if you're using the same phone, copy that code, then go back to Authenticator app, choose to enter the code manually, select the other, and then type a name for the account. After that, paste the key and finish the setup. Once it's added, tap on the account to get your code, go back to the app or website, and enter the code to verify and complete the setup. After that, two-factor authentication will be turned on. And from now on, whenever you sign in, you'll need to open the Authenticator app and enter the code shown there. The code changes every few seconds, which helps keep your account secure. You can repeat the same steps to add more accounts anytime. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.